What's up, Sightless Farmer YouTube channel? We are working on our gator today. Now, I'm going to film this, but I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not sure how good you're going to get it. But what we've got to do is try to put tailgate cables on. You see this tailgate cable right here is broke. And so we got to loosen some screws and see what we can do. I've never done this, so I'm going to put you guys in hands-free mode. There we go. And you will see what you will see. Oh, I believe we got the screwdriver going in the wrong direction. Okay. Hopefully I don't have to take this whole piece off. Hopefully I can just take off one screw, which is what I'm trying to do right here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. The whole daggum piece has got to come off. Because I did not want to get into doing that because of the way it goes in there. I see how it goes. If you don't attempt to take the whole piece off, ain't that just freaking lovely? And there's one up yonder I can't get to. I wonder if I can just break this one loose. Will that allow me to pull this piece out a little bit? Well, I reckon we're about to find out. If I got to get to that other one up here, I don't know how I'm going to do it. This was crazy. Although, like I said, I see what it does. Sorry for the shaky camera work, guys. All right, I think I can make that work right there. By loosening that screw, being able to slide it. Okay, that ain't gonna be too bad. Uh-oh, I think I dropped one of the K-bells on the ground. The plastic up in there. Get all the world would swing. Which way did you go? I think he went like that. That's what I think. Okay. So, we'll get our screw. And we put our screw back. In here just like that right there. Give me this Torx bit. Okay, now we tighten this one back up right here. Drill would be nice, but or a impact driver, but that's okay. Not being able to see, some things I just prefer to do totally by hand. Guess what? We have through. Isn't that wonderful? Now, it's just a matter of doing this side. So we'll come around to this side. And we shall proceed by flipping the screwdriver. I think this is actually a benchmark screwdriver that I've had for, good God, years. And like that right there. Don't you roll, screw. Okay. Now we got to do the same thing again. We got to break this screw loose so that we can get enough. That was a wee bit tight for what I'm trying to do. But how about that? How about that? Come on. That's what you need to do. Right there. This screw to go back through this hole works right here. Okay. All I need you to do, dadgummit, is be nice and start. If you will do that, we can soon. There you went. There you went, buddy. Tailgate cables are just about on, folks. I don't know what size this Torx bit is. It's bigger than a T50. It's the biggest daggum one I had in my little bit set. I can tell you that much. All right. Now, the top part of this thumb joker is easy. All you do is pick your tailgate up and slide it over that knob just like that. Now let's go over here and do the other one. Pick your tailgate up a little bit, slide it over the knob. Here, I'll show you the knob. See that screw sticking out right there? Hopefully you can see it. I'm not the best cameraman, but it's obvious. It's a round-headed screw screwed into the side of the bed that them knobs hook over. And that is how you install tailgate cables. See, brand new tailgate cable on both sides on an 825i John Deere Gator. If you like my stuff, if you like my stuff, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. And by all means, share these videos around and tell a friend. And as always, I'm a rolling.